Alright guys, like this video.
Subscribe, comment, check out Ajax's channel. Be sure to go over there. Get him to 1,000 subs. He's got some behind the scenes stuff over there. I think that's it. Love you guys.
Alright, love you guys.
Oh, you're a bad elf. You're a bad elf. Sorry.
Ralph, it's Santa Claus, really. Too many cookies, Sandy. Dang.
Merry Christmas. Need Santa to get you a discount? Huh. Here, let me show you how. What's this? What's this?
Santa, why are you so lactose intolerant?
Just tell them Santa gave you the discount. It probably won't help anything. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Elf, just pick this up for me.
Dude, don't even stop. You know, I'm tired of working for you. I quit. Take that and shove it.
You guys want to be an elf, maybe?
Oh no, I'm good.
The last guy just quit.
Thank you, though.
Yeah, anytime. If you change your mind, just call me. You eat my cookies.
Sorry, man.
Well, let's go.
Let's send on this party bus.
What's up?
What's happening in here?
There's a private group getting ready to come out and sing it or wing it.
Is there strippers?
No.
Ah.
Teenagers.
Oh,
Santa.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're going on my naughty list, man.
Hey, Mary, there's Santa. I see it.
Merry Christmas, Mary.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Hey, Santa, how come I don't ever get anything for Christmas? You don't like big people? I mean,
Well, I love you, but you're a little mean every once in a while.
not really.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
love you, though.
Oh,
You can have some coal this year.
I love you too.
Love you.
Santa, not again.
Fine.
I'll just take you anywhere.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Santa, not again.
That was him. He's been on the naughty list for years.
Jesus, Santa. That's it. This is what I should be saying.
Oh, sorry.
Kiss, kiss, Elf.
Oh, kiss.
Good job. Good job. Excuse me, sir.
Darling, you gotta be... Santa, I told you not to come get your gifts at freaking Hobby Lobby. You know what I think about Hobby Lobby? Tired of this. I built all this all year.
What are you doing dressed like that? Are you loading your sleigh?
Can I take a picture of you?
Sure. Yeah.
Maybe fun to send that live.
Cover up your black beard, Santa.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What? Santa's not real.
Yeah, he's real.
There we go. Awesome.
See ya. Merry Christmas.
You gotta start forgetting.
I've been holding that in all year. Mrs. Claus doesn't enjoy them.
Are you not part of the frat thing or just for fun?
It's just for fun. Not cool enough being a frat. Merry Christmas, sir.
Two.